Okay, I got a what the heck is this moment. So this car, it's a 350 SLC 4-speed manual, and it's got the D-Jet 4.5. The VIN number ends in 6310, so probably a 72, 73. You can check the title, but the guy said it cranked really slowly, so he put some WD-40 in the cylinders, and it was slow to crank. So I was thinking, okay, maybe a weak starter or something like that. That's strange. But down here, there's this box in the passenger front fender, and I should know what it is by now. I've been playing with these cars for 10 years. But after cranking, I put 4 spark plugs in and a little bit of fuel just to see what would happen, and this white wire started melting. So that was after cranking, and that's a small wire going up to that box. Looks like it was wrapped in electrical tape, but that was all smoking. And I'm pretty sure it was, I think that's a white wire. I don't know, maybe it's white insulation on it anyway. Well, of course it's a copper wire with white insulation, but I'm not sure if that's original insulation, maybe tape or something. But I thought that was interesting, and it cranked really slowly. So I need to figure out what that box is and what these wires are. So they're coming up here around the passenger fender, but you can see how it was melting the insulation right here. So this is going to be an interesting learning experience for me. Could I have just simply pinched something with my oversized battery? Probably not. But I can't wait to find out. Maybe the battery's sitting on something there. Huh.